So how's it going, everyone? Today we had a better day than yesterday, but it was a really small green day. The market was pretty choppy today, so it was hard to catch any decent setups. Now I had one small losing trade on SPY, which definitely should have been a winner. I'll show you guys what I mean. And then I had a nice winning trade on the Qs, which gave us a nice green day. And I'll break all of it down in the recap at the end, so enjoy the live trading. The SPY's right at 400 again today. Kind of interested in taking the reject, but we may just squeeze past it. Oh wait, I'm gonna get short. I've got one cheap contract. I want the rejection. If we squeeze it back above it, I'm just gonna get out of the trade. Cause yeah, this is very counter trend, and yeah, no, I just took the quick L. Okay, that was a tiny loss. It's all good. Of course, now it's going down without me. That's frustrating, dude. It just went long. I just kind of think we're getting a push to the upside, but I don't know. That might have been a dumb trade. I just feel like it makes sense to push up here. You know what I'm saying? Wait, I'm going for it again? Okay. There we go. That's the push I was looking for. It was really hard to time that right. Oh my goodness, wow. I mean, please get a move up to the high a day. Wow, okay, that's good. That's really good. Alright, I'm taking profits there. Oh my goodness. That's exactly what I was looking for. It just took, yeah, that was basically a $10 win. Did you guys kind of see that breakout coming? It's like we tried to make a new low, came back up, then we paused and hovered right above the 9 EMA. So I went long there, anticipating the break up higher, and I saw that the US dollar is going straight down, and when that goes down, the markets go up. That's kind of what I expected to happen. I guess it worked. It was just kind of a sketchy trade, I guess. So now to break down these trades. Now the first one I took was on SPY on the 2-minute time frame, and you probably saw in the recording I really missed out on the SPY 400 reject. Now I had the right idea, but just the wrong execution. You can see on this candle we came up and touched 400 to a T and started to reject. And right around there is when I entered my short position. I just took one contract thinking that we would reject 400 and start to make our way back down. And then when this next candle opened, it pushed up to like 415 or something like that. And I really just should have been a little more patient because as you can see, we top wicked this candle and had a really strong move down, even past the low a day. And after I exited and saw that it started to move down, I kind of had instant regret. I thought about re-entering, but I really didn't want to overtrade it. And I just hesitated, and you can see it really cost me a lot today because those contracts moved up quite a bit. And you know, that happens sometimes. I mean, a really hard part of trading is just timing. Sometimes you mistime the trade a little bit and it just doesn't work out, but you know, that's okay. So my next trade was on QQQ. I'm gonna go ahead and mark out my levels real quick. Alright, let's break this down to the 2-minute time frame so I can show you exactly where I entered. So yeah, it was right here, this little flag pattern right here. I took this scalp and got a nice move up to the high a day, and it actually went a lot quicker than I thought it would. I don't think this was a news candle, but you can see it just went like straight up instantly. And when I get a move that big, that quickly, I usually just take profits right away. So yeah, basically I saw that we made a new low a day, just barely, it basically became a double bottom. Then we had a strong move up just past VWAP and the 9 EMA, and then this candle closed red. And then when this green candle started to move up, I actually went for this trade twice. The first time I mistimed it, and when it pushed down, I sold. And then it pushed back up. It looked like it wanted to break this high. So I got back in with one contract, and then it went in my favor basically instantly. So yeah, those were my only trades today. And you can see the rest of the morning, we really just kind of chopped around. If we take a look at SPY, I mean, yeah, it's basically doing the same thing. I thought about going for the break and retest of 400 once again, but it did not happen. quickly as I would have liked to see it. I thought this candle, it was going to pull back to 400, but the volume really kind of died down here and it just chopped around. And yeah, you can see we did get a little move up. We got a slight bounce from 400 just up to the high day. But by then I was just like, this is just too choppy. I don't think it's worth it. So I just called it a day. So yeah, those were my only trades today. And if we go and take a look at the account, we're sitting at 508, so almost a 1% gain today. And there was actually a bad trade I took in Power Hour yesterday that I did not record, and I lost just a couple dollars on that. So I'm like, okay, I just need to refocus today and focus on good, high quality setups. And so yeah, that's why we're only at 508. So yeah, that was our Tuesday, small green day. I think I'm gonna cut the video here. I'm just gonna stop doing my official outros. I just think they're kind of cringy and unnecessary because I say the same thing pretty much every time. So yeah, I mean, you guys get the idea. I mean, I really appreciate all who watch my videos, and yeah, thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you for following my journey, and feel free to help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers this year. And so yeah, see you guys back again tomorrow morning. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.